Have you ever heard that saying that if mom's stressed, the whole house is stressed? Well, it's true, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Stick around. Hey, and welcome back to another day. We're here every single day, Monday through Friday, to talk to you about positive, happy, abundant things. So today I want to talk to you about if mom's stressed, the whole house is stressed. And I think that this statement is probably one of the truest statements that I can think of right off the top of my head, because I can feel this in my own family. When things are bothering me, everybody is on edge. I get a lot of questions like, what's wrong? What's the matter? Is everything okay? And when I hear my family asking me those questions, I really need to stop and evaluate what is going on with me, what is stressing me out. And one of the best ways I can do that is to take a few minutes for myself and come to some place that I love. I love this spot where I'm sitting right now. It's facing the water under these beautiful giant oak trees, and it just gives me the few minutes that I need to rest and recharge and refill my battery, because no one else can do that for you but you. You have to take a few minutes to yourself every day, whether it's meditating in the morning or taking a walk on your lunch or walking your dogs in the afternoon, or coming to sit at a place like this that's absolutely beautiful and quiet and give you the few minutes to reflect and see what it is that's bothering you. So I'd love to complain about my hair driving me nuts right now, but I love it because it's normally so hot and humid and still here that I'm really enjoying this breeze, even though it's totally wrecking my hairdo for today. So when we take the few minutes that we need and we can go home and recharged and rested, and even though it was just a few minutes to spend by yourself, to be grateful or to reflect on some things that you might need to work on, it's so important to take care of you first. You can't take care of anybody else unless you're taking care of you. So I hope that you find a few minutes today. Hopefully it was with me, these few minutes that we spent together, that you took time for you to listen and think about what's bothering you and in what ways you could make things better for yourself. And I'd love to hear from you and listen to what you do on a regular basis to recharge your batteries. So you can drop it in the comment box down below. Or you can send it to us on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. And until tomorrow, happy manifesting.